So in this video, we're just going to be showing the Symmetric setup for a TPS measurement with the MP-1. So we just have two samples of neoprene here that we're measuring, 40A durometer and 30 durometer. We also have our standard 3317 double spiral TPS sensor that we're going to be using to set up these samples with. So we're just going to switch to a closer camera and get a better view. So we just want to make sure that the contacts on the back of the sensor have good electrical contact with the contacts in the TPS sample stand. So we're just going to slide the sensor into that opening there for a quick connection, and then tighten the bolt on top just to make sure there's good contact. We're then going to take one of our samples and place it underneath the sensor, making sure to center it, and making sure that the sensor is flush with the top of the sample. We're going to take our other piece of sample and place that on top, and then just use a protective disc to protect the sample from the clamp. And then we're just going to clamp the sample in place to ensure there's good contact between the sample pieces and the sensor.